My name is Muhammad Syahmi Wafid bin Syaidan and I'm from N5BA1112F. My matric number is 2022463406.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hazim bin Nasir. I'm from N5BA1112F. My student ID is 2022869458.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Akidania bin Izwan. I'm from N5BA1112F. My matrix number is 2022878956.
Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nazifiman bin Nur Ismail and I'm from N5BA1112F and my student IDs is 20226436 and 76.
So in this part, we're going to discuss about 5 differences between activity-based costing and traditional costing for overhead computation. There are 5 differences, which is cost allocation basic, cost accuracy, cost complexity, cost management, and product profitability analysis. So the first one is cost allocation basis. In traditional costing method, it typically used as a single cost driver such as direct labor hour or machine hour to allocate cost to product. In activity-based costing, identify multiple cost driver or cost activity that consume resources. The second one is cost accuracy. In traditional costing method, it tends to allocate overhead cost based on a single cost driver which may not be accurately reflect the actual consumption of resources. But in activity-based costing, ABC provide a more accurate and detailed cost allocation by considering multiple cost driver or cost activity. The third one is cost complexity. In traditional costing method, it is relatively simple and straightforward to implement as it relies on a single cost driver. On an ABC costing method, ABC is more complex and requires a detailed analysis of various activity and their associated costs. The fourth one is cost management. In traditional costing method, it may not provide sufficient visibility into the root causes of overhead costs or identify area. But in the activity-based costing, ABC facilitates better cost management by identifying activity that drive costs and providing insight into the relationship between activity and resources consumption. The last one is product profitability analysis. In traditional costing method, it may lead to distorted profitability analysis as some product or service may be allocated a higher share. In activity-based costing, ABC enable more accurate product profitability analysis by assign overhead costs based on the actual activity and resources consumed.
For next question, I'm gonna talk about 2 important of cost driver in activity-based costing. The first one is support for decision making. Cost driver in activity-based costing provide valuable insight into the relationships between activities and costs. Understanding which factor influence resources can make more informed decision related to pricing, process improvement, resource allocation, and cost reduction initiative. Second is cost accuracy. Activity-based costing provides more accurate and detailed breakdown of costs by allocating overhead costs to specific activities based on their consumption of resources. This accuracy enables organizations to have better understanding of the cost structure and make more informed decisions.
So, I'm gonna explain about the advantages of activity-based costing. Number 1. Activity-based costing system is better to understand of overhead costs. This is because the data can identify wasteful products and unnecessary costs, so that resources can be used productively. Number 2. Activity-based costing identifies activities and assign all costs associated with completing the activities. This allows a more accurate of a product cost by showing the direct relationship among activities, costs, and products. And lastly, activity-based costing method also helps in fixing price of products or services that are exercised or incorrect. Overall, product and service quality can improve as activity-based costing data details production and cost issues that needs to be resolved.
So, for the disadvantages of activity-based costing, first, the activity-based costing or ABC system is better understand of our cost. This is because the data can identify wasted products and unnecessary costs, so that resources can be used productively. Next, the report produced by an ABC system contain information which is vary from the information report from a traditional cost method. For example, product margin. Some activity-based costs may be irrelevant in certain decision-making situations, such as ABC does not comply to accounting standards and should not be used for external reporting. Interpreting ABC data along with regular accounting information can be confusing that consequently lead to bad or wrong decision making.